policies are full of confusing language, technical terms, and fine print that most people never read until it's too late. And they're actually designed to be that way. But what if you could understand it like a pro and avoid getting blindsided when disaster strikes? I'm Mendy with my insurance claim expert, brought to you by Panther Public Adjusting. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to break down your home insurance policy so you know what's really covered and what's not. Hit that like button below, subscribe, and share this with every homeowner you know. This is one video that everyone needs to see. Most people only look at their policy after something goes wrong. That is a huge mistake. If you don't understand your coverage up front, you could be paying for protection that doesn't even protect you. I've seen it all. Denied claims for uncovered damages, missed deadlines, missed responsibilities. You didn't even know you had to do those things. Understanding your policy is the first step to taking control of your insurance and protecting your house and your wallet. So here's how to break down your policy, the most important parts to look at. First of all, your declaration page. This is the summary at the front of your policy that includes your name, property address, coverage amounts, deductibles, and policy period. You want to review the coverage sections. These are usually labeled as coverages A, B, C, and D, and they explain what is covered. Coverage A is your main structure. Coverage B is other structures like sheds and fences. Coverage C is your personal property, and coverage D is additional living expenses if you have to move out after a covered loss. You also want to review exclusions and limitations. This is where things get tricky. This section lists what is not covered and can include things like flood, mold, wear and tear, or earth movement. You also want to review the endorsement and riders. These are add-ons to your policy that either expand or limit your coverages. If you skip these sections, you're flying blind. Now let's talk about where homeowners usually get tripped up. Number one, thinking flood damage is covered. It is not going to be covered on most policies unless you have a separate flood insurance policy. Two, assuming full replacement cost is going to be paid. There are policies out there that only cover actual cash value after depreciation, which is a small payment than the replacement cost. And even the ones that pay replacement cost value, typically they're going to withhold depreciation until you actually do the repairs. And missing the fine print, like you may have a 72-hour reporting clause, or water damages that limits water damage to a payout far below the damages that you actually incur. At Panther, we review policies all the time and find gaps homeowners never even realized that was there until it was too late. So here's what you need to do to protect yourself and stay in control of your policy. Get a copy of your full policy, not just the declaration page. It's going to be 50 to 100 pages typically. Highlight your coverage limits and deductibles so you know what applies. Review the exclusions and ask questions if something's unclear. Ask your insurance agent or public adjuster to explain the technical language. And get a free policy review from a professional before storm season or anytime you're renewing your policy. Understanding your policy now can save you tens of thousands of dollars later and make the claim process way smoother if something happens. Your insurance policy should work for you, not against you, but only if you understand what it says. Contact Panther Public Adjusting today for a free policy review and make sure you're truly covered. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more homeowner tips and claim strategies, and share this with a friend who might not even know what their insurance covers. Comment below with your biggest question about your policy and I'll help explain it in a future video.